concave abdominal posture and round-shouldered pattern of the boy in the orange shorts and white hat always contribute to abdominal distress and chronic tension in the neck and shoulders. At a young age, lifelong pain patterns can be seen developing. The young woman on the left in the blue suit has already developed a torquing low back movement, which will result in lumbar facet syndrome with stiffness and pain in the low back muscles. This condition has been caused by how she swings her arms to dissipate momentum. Her right arm swings across her back, while her left arm swings out away from her body. These misguided forces of momentum cause torque in the low back, resulting in swiveling of the hips and the low back, instead of flexing and extending the low back. Notice the torquing pattern of the right arm of the young man on the right. This will lead to a sway back and low back pain condition. The boy in the middle already has a well-established waddling gait pattern. Notice his spine movements. This can result in a scoliosis or curved spine. This young man has a slight forward head posture. His ear is only 1 or 2 inches in front of his shoulder. But, if untreated by proper soft tissue care and neuromuscular therapy, a progressive deterioration will be observed, resulting in lifelong chronic discomfort in the neck and shoulders. Notice the young woman in the blue suit and her dangling right arm. Also look closely, and you will see her head has shifted off the midline of her body toward her left shoulder. The waddling gait pattern of this overweight young man will eventually lead to neck and back pain and cause tension in his jaws, which will result in bilateral temporomandibular joint dysfunction.